Learning about economic order quantity can be powerful and overwhelming at the same time. When thinking of EOQ, it is important to remember that it is only a model. Models are a representation of what we believe is going to happen. Sort of like a forecast, it is very difficult to be spot on. With that in mind, EOQ is a useful metric for companies that purchase and hold inventory for manufacturing, resale, internal use, or just about any other reason you can think of. And it helps you get as close to spot on as you can be. Businesses that use EOQ are better able to look at all of the costs associated with buying and delivering inventory, while also taking into consideration what the demand for a product may be, procurement discounts, and the associated holding costs. This gives a complete model to make decisions with. This is especially important when working with inventory, as finding the ideal inventory levels can be a daunting task. Remember, you want inventory to fill demand, but you don't want inventory that will sit for decades and tie up resources, or worse yet, need to be thrown away. When your vendors offer volume discounts or other incentives to purchase more, EOQ can help you create a model that will give you guidance and help you obtain the most economic order quantity. It does this by applying a formula that we will learn about in a later module. That formula allows you to drive your decisions from data or quantitative numbers rather than opinion. You might be wondering now, this sounds pretty good, but why would economic order quantity be good for me? In the next module, we'll talk more about that. See you soon.